Dear students and friends, today we will learn mathematics. A wall clock. 12 minus 6 equal to 6, 11 minus 5 equal to 6, 10 minus 4 equal to 6, 9 minus 3 equal to 6, 8 minus 2 equal to 6, and 7 minus 1 equal to 6. Another activity. It is 12. Yes, 11 plus 1 equal to 12, 10 plus 2 equal to 12, 9 plus 3 equal to 12, 8 plus 4 equal to 12, and 7 plus 5 equal to 12. And last one, 12 plus 1 13, 11 plus 2 13, and 10 plus 3 13, 9 plus 4 13, 8 plus 5 13, and last one 7 plus 6 equal to 13. Yes, it is the Fazil model. Subscribe my YouTube channel.